Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Sit facing each other and breathe slowly together. Feel calm and safe. Sit back to back and feel each other breathing. Stay calm and still. For this partner hamstring stretch, spread your legs out to the side and put your feet together. Engage your core, tuck your chin, pull your belly in, and lean back. In forward fold, don't lock your knees. If you need to bend your knee, that's fine. Standing and facing each other with fingertips touching, lengthen your arms overhead and lift the same feet off the ground with your partner. Sit facing your partner with knees bent. Holding your partner's hands, start to place the soles of your feet together. Kneeling high with your backs facing each other, align yourselves by placing one foot in between the feet of your partner. Facing away from each other, step one foot forward and come up onto the toes of the back foot. You both bend into the front knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Place your knees together and turn your face in the same direction as your partner. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing away from each other at arm's distance, you both step the right feet forward, bending at the knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing tall and facing each other, interlock your hands with your partner. Facing each other, sit on your heels with your kneecaps touching your partner's kneecaps. Standing in front of each other, bend your body and interlock your arms at the shoulders with your partner, placing the hands on the partner's hands. Begin in double plow pose, pressing your back gently against your partner's back for support. Standing next to each other, your inner feet touching, open your legs wide. Turning your outer toes to the sides, bend your knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Standing away from each other at arm's distance, you both step the right feet forward, bending at the knees. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.